again, and this time I'll be teaching you how to lock any of your files and folders. For that, you just need to create a new folder and rename it whatever you want. I'll rename it lock. Open it and create a new text document. Here it is. And open the text document and paste the codes given in the description in the text document. Now search for password goes here it is, and delete that and type whatever you want as the password. I'll type password. Now go to file and click on save as, and save it in the same folder, and in the file name type lockit.bat. Save it. Now close this and delete the text document. Now you have a Windows batch file. Double click on that and you will get a folder called private. Now you need to save any of your files which you want to lock in the private folder. Go back and double click on lock it. Now press Y and enter. Now the private will be hidden, and to get it back just double click on lock it and enter your password. To check, I'll enter something else, which is 1234. Enter. Now this didn't open. Now I'll try to open it again by typing the correct password. Now private has come back and you have the folder. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.